It's a JAAAAG. It's a JAAAAG scam. Yes, I was ripped off, scammed at a garage. I'll quickly go into the story. So, end of 2019, I had the clutch replaced, the clutch plate, flywheel and slave cylinder with the release bearing. Shortly after I got the car back, it was slipping pretty much straight away. I took it back. He corrected it apparently by using another clutch plate, which is bullshit. Sorry about the swearing. So anyway, that clutch didn't hardly last about 6-7 months. I emailed them, got completely ignored. He wasn't interested. Before I actually had the job done, I did confirm with him if they were all LUK parts. He said yes. So I paid £700 for this job. Now that I've decided to do this clutch myself, because I don't trust garages anymore, to be honest, and this is just to show you guys out there that you have to be careful. So, what's this? This is not a dual mass flywheel, which the X-Type is designed for. This is a single mass, and is for the Mondeo Mark III. And no, they're not the same engine. So this, a lot cheaper than the dual mass. Clutch plate is again for a Mondeo Mark III. The clutch is completely wrong, because on the X-Type, the clutch doesn't use the springs. And as you can see, that'd be the cause of my knocking. But anyhow, totally the wrong clutch. And it is not an LUK. It appears to be a Transmech piece of crap. That is also Transmech. The flywheel is an APC, I believe, or ATC. The release bearing has never been changed. That is the original. It's all ripped. It's basically screwed. That is definitely not the original. If I come over here, I have the kit that I bought, and you can tell the difference straight away. Genuine LUK, and there's the clutch for the X-Type. There's not supposed to be any springs on it whatsoever. Now that is the correct one. And the flywheel is underneath. It's a dual mass, so I don't need to show you that. I'm pretty sure you know what one looks like. So you have to be careful, guys, and be very, very careful which garage you choose. And if you can, try and see them actually put the parts in even, or give you a video of some sort. So, you know, I've learnt my lesson, and I did a bit more research on this, and I found this kit, this exact same kit, for the Mondeo Mark III on eBay for £215. And that tells me that's where this kit came from, because when they promised me that it will be ready the next day, they kept up making excuses that the clutch hasn't arrived. Then it was the day after that, oh, this hasn't arrived. Obviously they were waiting for this to turn up. So, absolutely disgusting way to rip an honest working member of the public off for your own gain. So obviously they made, what, £500 profit by installing a crappy little Mark III unbranded, well, junk basically. It's not going to last long in these cars, especially if a car needs a dual mass. So I will show you the installation of the clutch in the next video, which is upcoming. Unfortunately I didn't film the uninstallation simply because it was just too time consuming, and once I get stuck in, I just don't bother filming. I just get it done. But I will give you a quick overview of what needs to come off and how you can do this at home and save yourself. How much was this kit? What, £300 kit, £330 for the flywheel, the clutch, the plate, and the slave cylinder. So if you can do it at home somehow, obviously be safe. You'll save yourself a good £400 or £500 in labour. So I will see you again, guys, and remember, be careful if you're gonna have your car repaired at a garage for something, especially a part that you can't see. And I'll see you again in the next video, which is upcoming soon. Bye.